The year 2020 has gone down in history as the year when the world came to an abrupt stop. All facets of life were affected, and school as we know it changed tremendously. COVID-19, our new reality. Teachers, students, and parents were introduced to online teaching and learning for the first time, and adjustments had to be made to facilitate this novel process. Life as we know it will never be the same. The COVID-19 pandemic prevention through its social distancing and health and safety protocols has introduced the new normal into our education system. As an educational institution, we have a collective responsibility to ensure that the school environment is safe and that mandated protocols for the education system are in place to receive our staff and students when they return next month. The use of face covering, such as the face shield, is an important element in ensuring the safety of staff, students, and other key stakeholders on the ground. It was Jen Sincero who stated, "Gratitude is one of the strongest and most transformative states of being. It shifts your perspective from a lack to abundance and allows you to focus on the good in your life, which in turn pulls more goodness into your reality." Despite the drastic changes brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, it has also brought about the good in people, with so much positive things happening around the world and right here on our island. There are so many things that we at the Carmen Rene Memorial School are grateful for at this time as a school. For the Lord's sustenance and safety throughout this turbulent period, for keeping our staff, our students, parents safe. The collaborative and resilient spirit of our teachers in ensuring that our students receive quality virtual instruction. Although it was a challenging period, we persevered with a successful period of virtual online learning for Term 3. A few good Samaritans reached out to us to assist with our students without devices, such as National Lotteries Authority, Safe Spaces through Rastaman Sherry, Bothamja Foundation. Our students gaining Wi-Fi access from a kind neighbor here and there willing to share his or her password. Our grade 6 students, exceptional performance at this year's Common Entrance Examination, with 2 of our students placing in the top 10, 2nd and 7th place respectively. We are immensely grateful to the OECS Commission for this invaluable donation to our staff. The face shields will ensure that the health and safety of our key stakeholders will not be compromised in the execution of their duties and responsibilities. It enables school to proceed safely without the added stress of worry and anxiety. Your organization must be commended for fulfilling its corporate social responsibility, and we encourage other organizations to do the same. And in the long run, we appreciate this activity here this afternoon because we know this is a start of a wonderful partnership with the OECS Commission. So we wish your organization the very best in your vision for uniting and impacting the islands of the OECS. Thank you.